Hello student, let's start today's lecture. In this lecture we will see creating web pages in a new window. So in this topic we will open a new window using one button, you can say that, and in that button we will give that option to create a new window for that. So it's the same as a previous window. Previously we open a multiple windows, but in that window we use a open function, but in here we will give some HTML codes for that window and we will create some content in that web page, correct? So the only thing is that inside the write function we have to write the content of the web pages, and with the help of HTML element, like as I said, HTML tags like head, body, title, you can give image, table, what did you want, you can change in that code and you will design that web page, correct? So let's start with that example. So you already know I'm using my boilerplate content. One second. Let's open with notepad. Yeah, copy all code and open new file. This page it. You already know what is a boilerplate. Okay, let's paste it here. Now my title is creating a web page. So web page, I only give a web page name. Yes. So in body we will use a script tag, but as I told you we use frame for that. So let's start with the frame tag. Sorry, not frame, form tag. My mistake, my bad. Okay, form, form name, form attribute name is equal to form 1 or my form. So let's say my form or form 1. Okay, so as I told we use button. So for button tag we use input type equal to your type is a button, then other attribute we going to use value equal to create a web page, because we want create a new page. Okay, so value we already give name our page, then let's close this tag. Okay, now let's move on our head tag. You know we use a script tag for our logic. So script, so in that script tag you can write script equal to text Java type or language equal to JavaScript, but I'm not going to mention that part. So let's start with the function. Which function we want? Function create function. Create one second. One function, create function. So in that function we use our own logic. So let's move on function and this function body. So you already know how we going to open a new window. So for that we use one variable here, and my variable name is myview. Okay, so this is my variable, and in that variable we use a open function. So you know how to use open function, window dot open function, window dot open function. Now which attributes we gonna use in window dot open function? We use your URL, your window name, and other parameters like attribute width, height, top. So let's use only two parameters here. First we give a URL, then our window name. Window name is my window. Yes. Then your parameters, others attributes, width equal to 300 and height equal to equal to 200. We can change that value if we want to change, correct? So now move on next point. Next point is we want to write some content here for that, but one second. So which tag we gonna use? We use some HTML tags for our web page. So how we gonna use that tag? Using this variable name mywin.document.write. As I told, we can write anything in a write function. So we only need that content of the web page. So we're gonna use head, body, title, and others tag. So let's write mywin.document dot write function. Okay, so in that write function we use our first tag, which is HTML. Okay, semicolon, one second, and outside of bracket semicolon. Let's copy this tag first and paste it here. So we want to change this middle tag. I will delete this one, and once again I will copy this content first. Copy, yeah. So let's change here. Our next tag is head tag, right? After head tag we use title tag, paste, and here go with like title. If we want any other title, so let's write it here, our title. So we use name website demo. One second. SI website demo, correct? Let's close this tag here. So inside double quotation we will close that title tag. Now move to next line, paste it. After title tag we will close our head tag, correct? Because we open our head tag. Now after head tag we will write our body tag. So once again we open our body. If you write some content on that body, it will show, but let's first create our web page, then we will write something on that page. Okay, just close this tag first, HTML close, using HTML close tag. Okay, end tag. So our body is complete. Now you can see we close our script tag first. Okay, you can see that there is something is missing in our button because we didn't mention on click function here. So let's first mention here. Without on click function it doesn't reply that create function, correct? So on click function equal to create function. This function, just copy this function and I will paste it here. We will write C is a capital C and save this file first. Okay, now we have to save this file. So web page win demo, or you can say just web demo dot HTML. So let's run our file. We already saved web demo. Just click on that file. And here we go. Yes. So you can see that what we wrote in our code, we just only create a one simple web page, and this web page we give HTML code website.demo. When you click that, sorry, where is my button name? My button is the create a web page. When you click that button, you can get new web page, correct? So just, yes, you can see that this web page we got. If you want some other tag want to use here, just go to there and write my win dot document dot write and double quotation. Now, what you want to write in your body? So let's write in H1 tag or H2 tag welcome. Okay, just write here welcome. Okay, so we wrote welcome user. Okay, and here we go. And let's close this tag first. H2 tag we closed here, correct? But we never close our body tag. So first close this body tag. Just copy this code first. Okay, and double quotation. We close our first body tag. Close my body tag and completed this section also. So let's save this first. Let's see what we get. 1 second. Let's close this and here we go. Okay. Create a web page and you click. Oh, 1 second. I did not save my file first. Save my file. And 1 second. Okay. I again done this page. You can see that what I wrote in my tag show in that page. Welcome user, correct? Refresh the page. Yes. You want to change this starting position, so you can change with this. Just only go to your first tab where you write height and width. Just wrote there left and top equal to, you want to mention any top value, so you can give the top value, and also other attribute also there, top and left. So write first top 30 and left equal to 30. Let's see what we get from this. Refresh the page and create. Okay, you can see that my starting point it's changed. Okay. Likewise, you can change the content in your this tag and you wrote something new thing here. Correct? So let's stop today's lecture. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.